G'day guys and welcome to another Kim cooking episode. We want to show you today one of our favorites. It has to do with fresh seafood, which we caught yesterday. It's easy to do at the campsite. All the ingredients keep for a long time. It's a perfect camp cooking thing.
Yeah.
We've got 2 fish fillets. You can use a whole fish as well, but basically that's going to be fried off. And then topped up with the tamarind sauce, and on the side we have some fried vegetables with oyster sauce.
Yeah, what vegetable you have, just fry them together.
That's right, whatever you have, doesn't really matter. We got cabbage keeps a long time, carrots keeps a long time. We've got a red onion and some garlic. So we show you step by step. If you have any questions, feel free, drop a comment below. We'll also have the full recipe down there in the description. So you can follow it up. All right, leaves me with nothing else but to take that beer, leave you up to Jenny, and I'll see you soon.
Chop, 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 chop.
Alright, there we go. Fried fish with tamarind sauce, fried vegetables on the side, and a bit of rice. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking video. Like I said, easy to do. If you've done the meal, drop a comment below and let us know how it tasted and if you liked it. Thanks very much for watching.
Be ready to eat now.
That's right, we're ready to eat. We'll see you again next time at Camp Cooking with Whitewater Veggies.
Good. So good.